robotic prosthetic technology more accessible. So taking a robotic hand for amputees that costs thousands of pounds, taking that technology, 3D printing, using 3D printing, and giving it to amputees for under £1,000. So it's about making technology more accessible. It's also about having a bit of fun with your prosthetics. We like everyone who tells us that they like personal prosthetics. They like something that shows off their personality. They like prosthetics that does something else, does something different to a human hand. So that Grace's arm that we did for her today has like fibre optics in, and it's got covered in Swarovski crystals. So it is wearable technology in the fact that it's a wearable hand, but it's also fashionable, and it's also a gadget. Grace looks at it as a fashion accessory. It's an add-on. It's almost like a necklace. It's not just about the functionality of the prosthetic hand. It's something more.